What's up guys, this is a video on the GoPro Casey case. So I bought this case and I thought I'd do a review on it and tell you what I think of it. And honestly I think it's well worth the money and it was well worth buying compared to the other ones on the market. So it's water resistant and it's a hard case as well. And it's hard there and it's hard there. And if you can see there at the bottom it's like a rubbery material to stop it slipping or sliding in any way. So that's really good as well, and it comes with a handle attached to it so you can carry it. So the zips are pretty strong on it as well, and they've not got them links on them what rattle all the time like the other ones do. And I'll show you what I've got inside my case. So in here on this side we've got the GoPro Hero 4 Silver, we've got a remote control, we've got the Hero 5 Session, I've got a charger and a couple of batteries for the Hero 5 Black, and I've got the Hero 5 Black here as well. And here I've got a GoPro data transfer stick, and I've got a couple of bits and pieces and mounts there. In the back of it you get a waterproof housing, waterproof case with it as well, which is pretty cool. I'll show you that in a minute. And it comes with this netting at the back. Here I've just stored my wires for my Hero 5 and the wire for the remote control and the wrist strap for the remote control as well. So the waterproof casing itself is pretty cool. It comes with two slots at the back so you can attach it to your belt or whatever you want, and you can store all your bits and pieces inside. Within it you get another bag which is waterproof, so you can fit all your memory cards and all your batteries in there to keep them all separate. So that's another reason why I really like it. I think it's well worth purchasing and it's well worth buying. So if you're interested, it's definitely worth it. So right guys, thank you for watching. Like, comment and subscribe. Bye.